How to change playback settings on Spotify. This quick tutorial will show you how to customize your Spotify playback options in just a few steps. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Next, tap on your profile picture and open Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and select Playback. This section contains several playback controls that help you customize your listening experience. Here, you can manage options such as offline mode, mono audio, and autoplay. If offline mode is enabled, you can turn it off to allow Spotify to stream music normally. If you don't see this option, just move on to the next setting. You can also enable or disable mono audio, depending on your preference. Then review the autoplay settings and adjust them as needed to control whether Spotify continues playing recommended content after your music ends. Take a moment to go through the available playback options and configure them according to your listening preferences. That's how to change playback settings on Spotify. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tutorials.